What's up, guys? This is Agina John, and I'm here with Ogechi Eden. Guys, Ogechi is a very good friend of mine. She's a baker and also a pastry, an aspiring pastry chef, sorry to say. So, guys, they'll be asking how she started, how far she has gone, her challenges, and her advice to those of us who are aspiring to become bakers and also pastry chef. Isn't it, Obi?
Yes. Do you want to be a baker?
I don't have. I'll learn from you today.
Okay, wonderful.
So, guys, let's go straight to the video. Oh, sorry, but before that, please do also like, share, subscribe, comment, just interact with the videos. Okay, guys, so let's go straight to the video this time around. So, Ogi, would you like to tell us how you started this whole baking thing?
Yeah, yes, I would.
Okay, how did you
What if I don't want to?
You will have to tell us.
Okay, that's what I'm here, but no problem. Okay, I started baking in 2015, yes, in the university as a student of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. And I was baking with my friends. Yes, I was baking in the hostel also. Yeah, to students and people around there. So then I had a group of friends that I told them I wanted to start doing something as a lady. I didn't want to be quite dependent, and they decided to come together, suggest a name, and I baked the cake for them, and it was nice. And they ate it while it was hot. So
It's rare to see people eat hot cake.
yeah, you know how
Yeah.
a group of people. So yeah, they gave me the name serano. Serano is like a Spanish name for the hottest pepper.
Was the cake peppery?
No, it was not. No, it was not. But they felt like I'm gonna be like the hot stuff in town. So
Hot peppery baker.
no pepper in my cake. But if
Okay,
you want
okay.
pepper in your cake,
No. We are good. We are good that way.
okay. So that's it. And they gave me Serrano Creations. So and from there I started baking till I had to stop after a while. Like it wasn't easy balancing education, like my academics and work. So,
Being a student
yes.
and the
So
baker.
after that, I started baking back in 2019 after the corona. So I came to Lagos to work after my NYC and
Started baking
I
again.
started baking again. And the market has been wonderful. And
So it's from the genesis. You have this group of friends that came together, suggested a name for you.
yeah,
You bought their idea
yes,
and you took the name Serrano, the
yes.
peppery bakery chef. Okay, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
The question is, I know you say you had challenges of balancing being a student and a baker while you were in school.
Yeah.
So when you went fully into this baking thing in year 2019 upward,
Mm.
I would like you to tell me what are the challenges you experienced at that time from 2019 to date.
Okay, considering the fact that this is a new market, yes, and it's not like it's not like a concise market. Like I was dealing with students in university back then. So yes, you know your target market, you know what to offer, you know the mindset, so you know what to give them before you can now move into the whole of it. But now I'm dealing with a larger market. Lagos is very competitive, and it's not been easy. Yeah, you have to understand your customers, considering that they vary with the age wise and everything. Then social media itself has an analysis, so you have to understand the market because things change every day. You have to get a certification, yes. So I had
To
be
call
a
yourself
baker.
a baker.
Yeah, to be a certified baker and accepted in society, you have to go for a training. So I checked out for the best, which I've been following for a very long time, Loving Secret, and she's been wonderful. She trained me well, and I trained there for 3 months. Yes, got my certification and started as a full-time baker.
When you were a baker and a student,
Yes.
the challenges were not that much. Also your challenges were overwhelming, knowing that you have to study
Yes.
and you have to bake.
As a baker in school, it's very hard because you have academics. You can't miss your class. You can't do so
Yeah.
many things. Yes, in as much as you still have to bake for people. So most times it's you find yourself baking in the night or trying to you can't collect of course you can't collect orders from 24 hours, but you find yourself baking in the night and you find yourself trying to not overcharge most of the students.
Yeah.
In whether the price is this or the market is going high or dollar is
Considering the fact that
you are
most of
not
them are
going
not
to
paying.
yeah, you have to work with them. But the good thing about it is that once you give them something they can afford, they all come to
Yeah.
you and you can make more profit. Deliveries,
Mm-hmm.
we face challenges when it comes to delivering to different areas, especially the delivery guys, as in you having to make sure that they are like they are
Yeah.
competent and you can rely on them. So you really need to actually have that side fixed up. So
Wait, in a situation, sorry to cut you. In a situation whereby you made, okay, let me say, you made a cake worth of 50,000 bucks for somebody or 100,000 bucks for somebody, and you give this reliable and competent delivery guys, just as you said, to go and deliver, and then on the process of having to deliver these cakes, the cake then, I don't know, maybe due to potholes or something else, the cake falls and then everything turns into a mess.
it's scenarios like that occur. Like that happened to me. Yes, I have had a cake ready and halfway through the rider called me. Oh, your cake has followed, madam. All these things. So I had to call the person back since space of it was ready in the morning. So I had to make sure that I had to call the owner of the cake, explain what happened. I told her that between that morning, because I was to deliver by 8 in the morning, so between 8 till 2 o'clock, that's fixed. I had to make sure that there was a cake ready. So by 2:30, we left the house and by 4, I went to the person. So it has happened not just once, but the other ones are not as bad as that one. So, but it happens.
Okay, health wise, just like everyone, all these always say they don't eat all this spicy things. Sorry to say spicy, all this sugary stuff. Now,
That's it.
I was reflecting on your whole scenario stuff.
Yeah.
All these oldies, they do that. They do away with all these sugary stuff.
Yeah.
So, if someone within the age of 70 to 80 want to order a cake from you, you have a special recipe for them.
There are healthy nice cakes you can get for them. They're diet cakes.
Mhm.
Like we have a diet cake, carrot cake, depending on the type of cake. Or you just need to do like I have a chocolate cake for people that don't eat too much sugar,
Mhm.
and I have normal chocolate cake for people that really want chocolate, and I have like a normal everybody kind of chocolate cake. So it's totally different. That's like 3 recipes. So you have to understand your customers. Like when we talk to them, we try to that's customer service aspect. We try to learn our customers by asking questions. Okay, what kind of cake do you want? When do you want it? Who is the cake for? What's the person doing? How old is this person? Yeah, if it's for a baby, you make everything, but you don't put too much sugar. Yes, but we keep asking, do you like
Mhm.
yeah, in as much as the cake be moderate, yeah, it's not sugary, but there are some people that even at that sugar level,
Mm.
it's still too much for them.
So there's cake for every age group.
Yes.
Okay. Next one I would like to ask is, so far so good. How far do you think you've gone? Starting from when you were in UNN, a student, and now in Lagos, a full-time baker, and a certified.
Like the usual saying, we are not where we want to be,
Mhm.
but we've gone far enough. Yes.
Guys, are you hearing?
To
Wisdom. We are not where we want to be, but we've gone far enough. Let me ask more. Looking back to where we started from, we are proud of where we are now. It's not making sense.
we're proud of what we are now.
Wisdom.
Although I know where we want to be,
But we've gone far.
so
Wisdom.
actually, I still have people I look up to a whole lot. Yeah, considering where I trained from, I look up to her very well. I like the way she and those things. And
Who's that?
there are so many other bakers like Oven Secret, Ripples, Cakes, and the rest of them. So, like, there's so many. I I know that coming to Lagos, it's kind of like competitive. So the market is vast. So, well, um, I've made a whole lot of cake. I've made for at restaurant critic underscore ng. So she has done like a little critic on my cake, and this lady,
Like, sorry, restaurant critic actually confirmed your cake to be.
yeah, she actually I can give a critic on it, but that's for just my chocolate cake. I've not yet invited her to my space to
Mm.
check and
She gave you a pass mark,
yeah,
right?
yeah, she actually
Because
did.
it's how will I put it? It's rare to actually hear people like that person give
Um,
somebody a pass mark.
it's really important, yes. So when it comes to that, so when we get the full time verification on that, then yeah. So then I've done cakes for us, the likes of House of Week, the likes of Choma Pro, fashion designer actually. So there are so many other people that I can't mention their names. So my market base, I'm still trying to create it in Lagos. Yes. And that goes great beyond. So
Yeah.
well, now I'm just trying to strike a balance.
I'll actually like to, you understand. You know, like as if I'm asking for free cake, but we too we have to criticize now.
You're here, so after this
So
show,
after the show, I'll do another
there's
video.
always a
I'll,
cake in the fridge.
I'll do another video to criticize you. Like two cakes. The normal one and the carrot one. So it's not as if you're asking for too much. This is okay. So okay, like looking back from where you started, according to what you said, and now having to bake cakes for these reputable people and them enjoying your service, having to reassure your customers even when things went south in the process of delivering, I really feel okay, you've actually tried and gone far as compared to where you started from. What's your advice to those who are trying to pursue the same career as a baker and also a pastry chef?
Okay. My advice out there to do is wanting to pursue a career as a baker and start up other businesses also. I feel you should just start it up. You don't have to start big, you can start small. I got my pan by myself besides, but consistency and your dedication towards it and trying to reach out to other people, understanding the market, it gets you through consistency most especially. So as far as you're passionate about what exactly it is that you want to do, yes. Like me, I was watching YouTube video also before my first training was with Oven Secret. So I never got anybody to train me. I was just asking questions. I tried this recipe, it doesn't work. I tried the other one. If it works for me, I'll know what to remove and what to add. So I feel it's just you being passionate about it, you now show to other people that okay, yeah, this is what you do. I'm not passionate about it and keeping it to yourself. Passionate about it and letting the world know that you're passionate about it. Then the odds will always come in your favor.
So, for your potential customers, how would they reach you?
Okay, you can follow us on Instagram at serano underscore cakes on Instagram. Then I have my Serano page on Facebook. Yes, and you can reach me on my WhatsApp line 08068653018.
So,
Yes.
how do you spell Serrano?
Okay,
Yeah, for those that might be having problems spelling.
SERRANO Serano underscore
SERRANO underscore cakes.
yeah,
Cake or cakes?
cakes.
Cakes.
Done.
Yeah. The cake, is it K or C?
Oh wow. It's a C.
I understand. It's Serrano underscore cake. So that's a page on Instagram, and you can follow her on Instagram, follow her Facebook page, and also look her up on WhatsApp or what do you call that number again?
Oh, my WhatsApp line is just on Instagram, but 08068653018.
Okay, guys, that was the one for today. So, Serrano, Oge, Ede, underscore cake, spicy, lady. I really appreciate you for coming around and
Thank you so much.
guys, please patronize Serrano cakes because I'm going to make an order now and
Ah,
I'll be
and
criticizing.
you make a free order, then you order.
No, don't make it look like it's free. It's a
free cake.
criticism video, so I have to. No, I will chop the cake actually. So okay, my taste bud needs to actually criticize. So okay, so it's nice having you around. And to those people you've got to advise, I just hope to look forward to working towards that. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Before I forget, please do well to like, share, subscribe, comment, interact with the video. See you guys next time. And also, before that, I'll be making a video for the whole pretty cake stuff. That's me and my own self. JP the pretty. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.